Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about the limiter function in Audacity. The limiter does what it sounds like it does. It limits the audio, the upper limit, to a specific level. Audiobook outlets require the audio to be limited to -3 dB. So you will have to use this function in order to get your audio to pass the required checks. Personally, I usually go a bit lower, to about -6 dB, because I think it sounds better, but you may disagree. To use this function, simply highlight all the audio and select the limiter function from Effect. Put in the required limit and let it do its work. Thank you for watching, and if you subscribed, I'll see you again next time.